Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever made a turn and misjudged it and got your truck or trailer stuck? Mother truckers, comment down below. So in this video, a US Express truck driver misjudged getting on the scale. First off, has that ever happened to you? Second to that, we don't know the situation. Maybe he was trying to do a U-turn from the fuel aisle. Maybe he was getting a tight turn and he could barely make it in. Maybe there was another truck that was blocking him and he still tried to force himself on. But one thing's for sure, he misjudged, and that's probably going to cost him like $300 to $500 for a tow truck just to go and just let him loose. I know it's happened to me too. But I would say this, and truck drivers out there, tell me if you feel the same way. Usually at truck stops is like the most dangerous place for truck drivers. For one, mentally, you're ending your day or you're starting your day. And so for one, you're not quite awake. For two, if you're ending your day, you're so tired, you're trying to find truck parking. I'm not making excuses for this driver. I'm just saying this is the time to stay alert. So the big question is, what can you do? Any advice for new truck drivers so that they can judge where they're turning better? Because definitely this looks like a rookie mistake.